Hello, everybody, and welcome. As I like to do every week, I like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then, of course, bounce around the market and look for something to trade. So, we're going to start, as we always do, with the S&P 500. If you've been watching the last week, it's done absolutely nothing. It's been in this range, but it really went up and down, essentially going nowhere. So, the market looks like it's waiting for something to happen, either a big up move, something good's going to happen, or maybe something bad, it takes a huge downturn, but it appears to be in holding mode as of now. NASDAQ, of course, looks exactly the same, and the Russell is starting to catch up and look exactly the same. The other two are basically at all-time highs. This one is almost there now, and again, same exact picture, start to finish, basically nothing happened. But what was big this week? What was the big thing that happened this week? And that was Bitcoin. Bitcoin went on a huge tear. And the way we play Bitcoin is something called IBIT. And that's the Bitcoin, as you can see up here, ETF. So, as a contrarian, the way I look at things is when something makes a huge move like this over the course of a few days or a few weeks, my assumption is over time it's going to basically slow down and probably turn around a bit, have kind of a pullback. So I could be completely wrong. As I always say, it's purely my assumption. I'm just a contrarian. So what I'm going to do is make a trade that says over the next 45-ish days, I expect this thing to kind of top out and hopefully slide back down a bit over the next 45-ish days. So if we go to a trade page, what that means is I want to sell a call vertical, which means I think the stock price is going down. So right here, 47 days means tomorrow is 46. I open this up, and what I always start by doing is selling the call directly above the stock price. So right now, this is 67, so I'm going to start by selling the 68 call and then buying the 69, making it a $1 wide vertical. And I'm looking to collect at least 33 to 40 cents for that trade. And if I look here, that says 45. So what that means to me is it doesn't fit my rules. I want it between 33 and 40. 45 is too much, so I'm not going to make this trade. What I'm going to look to do is go a little bit further away because that means I'll collect less. So instead of 68, I'm going to now sell the 69 70 and see where that is. And you can see that is right where I want it to be. 35 cents is between 33 and 40, so that is what I'm looking to do. So come tomorrow, if everything stays the same, if the stock is right here at 67.21, I'm going to go up about just $1.50 and sell the 69 call, buy the 70 call, making a $1 wide vertical. I'm looking to collect 33 to 40 cents for that trade to be correct. If these numbers don't match up, as you just saw, you're going to go either further away or closer to try and get to that number. So 33 to 40 cents per dollar worth of strikes. This is $1 wide. This is 35 cents. This fits my rules, and that is my trade in IBIT, which is the Bitcoin ETF for tomorrow. Hello everybody, Cal here with an ancient Chinese proverb which I'm sure you have all heard before. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. Why am I telling you this? Because most services out there just give you a fish. They tell you, oh, make this trade, I made this much money, I made millions of dollars, do this, do this, do this. That's not my goal. My goal is to teach you to fish for a lifetime. I want to teach you the skill of trading so you can go out and make as much money as you want to on your own. And the best way I've come about to do that, at least for me, is to basically set up an alert system where you can watch me trade in real time. You'll get texts or emails directly to you in real time of the trades I make every week. I do 2 to 3 trades a week, so it's going to tell you everything you need to know about the trade, why I did it, how I did it, what I did as far as specifics. And then you're also going to get the closing alerts when I close them for the maximum profit potential on these trades. Like, how do I close these trades? Why do I close them? To get the best profit potential over time. And I want you to do it without any risk, which is why I've set this up for $1 for the first month. You'll get my option income alerts for the first month for only $1, and you can cancel anytime, so there's no risk on this one. You're risking $1 to see if you can turn that knowledge or learn to fish. You'll use this code, make B1. If you want more, we have the option Pro Alert, which is the exact same alert, but it also gives you access to every course and webinar I've ever made. It's a 13 course bundle, obviously thousands of dollars in knowledge. Again, you can do this using this code, and this is only $19 for the first month. And again, you can cancel this one at any time. So again, a risk-free attempt to learn and see if it's something you want to do. Here they are right here. If you want to go do it, you can go to sharpertrades.com, go to the products page. These two will pop up. You can type in these codes down here, or you can just go directly to this link right here and it'll build the code in itself, or the attachment I have at Udemy along with this little video. So again, my goal is to teach you to fish. I can't think of a better way to do that than to trade side by side with me in real time. Hopefully you jump on this opportunity. Hope to see you soon. Take care.